my friends. Good evening, everyone. Oh, wow, how special is this evening. Congratulations. Congratulations. Pwede na rin po kayo mag-break ng character kung kanina feeling nyo dapat magiging audience din kayo ng 1930s. You can break it na, it's fine. Isang malakas na hiyawan naman dyan sa taas. Thank you very much. Kaya pa bang higitan ng nasa baba? At pwede ba natin pagsabay-sabayan? Alright, very good. We just wanna invite good energy tonight because you're about to watch a good film, of course, directed and written and directed by Gerald Tarog and Sir Roddy here. Is Sir Roddy here? Sir Roddy's not here. Yes, and of course, si Kami yung sinulat niya rin pong pelikulang ito. Kasi sa tatlong pelikula nandun siya. No. We want to thank you guys for supporting this event of Cariel. This is bravo talaga. Such a huge event and a meaningful one as well. Thank you for supporting Philippine cinema and supporting our film. It's also a movement. We love you guys. Please enjoy the movie tonight. Here's Ben.
If you guys have any comments, reactions, anything you guys want to post, please, it would help us a lot. If one person here does anything on social media to help us spread the word that Quezon is now in its second week. So maraming salamat. We're going into the third week, and just to let you guys know, at the end of the month, we'll also have international screenings. So congratulations to Quezon, congratulations Kay, and a suggestion to do the video now. To do one, if we can have a photo op with you guys. Ay, ito, si Camille.
Magandang gabi ulit at gusto ko lang pasalamatan si Miss Kay sa pag-organize ng ganitong klaseng special screening sa ganitong klaseng venue. Napakaganda ng Metropolitan Theater at pakiramdam ko talagang nasa 1930s tayo. Maraming salamat.
Akala ko, hindi pa tapos yung shooting natin. We want to also acknowledge our producers, si Harold and Daphne, they're here. The entire, our production designers here, our costume designers here, our cinematographers here, si Pong Ignacio, the rest of the crew is here, and they have a okay lang ba tayo mag-group shot? Hindi, parang alanganin sila, so huwag na lang. Okay.
Kasi ganito yan, Echo. What's up, Madlang people? Pwede ba tayo gumawa ng isang acting? Bawal mahulog.
Dali, dito tayo. Punta tayo sa kanya. Hi. Sa loob, sino magsasalita? Senior ko. Hindi tayo kilala kasi Hi. Hi. Hello po. Siya? Ay, ano po dito? Siya?